Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 10, that is the moon and eclipses. In the previous lectures, we had discussed about the closest neighbor of the earth, that is moon, and the shape of the surface of the moon, or about the moon's surface and the type of absence of atmosphere, and because of that how it affects the surface of the moon. We discussed this much. Now today in this video lecture we are going to discuss about the phases of the moon. Phases of the moon. So we all know that this heavenly body, that is moon, it doesn't have its own light. Moon doesn't have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun and shines because of the light of the sun. So because of the light of the sun, we are able to see the moon in the sky. So here, half of the moon's surface always faces the sun. So the half part of the moon remains dark because it is not able to get the light of the sun. So what will happen? Sometimes we see only the lighted side. The amount of the lighted side or the shape of the lighted side changes every night. The side of the moon which reflects the light of the sun changes every night. Why and how? Because the revolution of the earth, revolution of the moon. So as they revolves, sun is at own place and earth is rotating and revolving, and the moon is revolving around the earth. So because of this rotation, the position of the sun, the position of the earth and the moon changes with respect to the sun. So the part which gets the light of the sun and reflects it on the earth, we are able to see only that part of the moon. So this keeps changing again and again. I mean every night it keeps changing. So because of this, there are different phases of the moon. The way we are able to see the moon, we give a name to that type of moon. So the first is full moon, then comes the new moon, then comes the crescent and gibbous. So these phases repeat itself again and again, and we are thinking that okay, moon is changing its shape, but no, moon doesn't change its shape. The shape of the moon is fixed only because of the reflection of the sun's light. We thought that the shape of the moon changes. Now comes the next topic, that is gravity of the moon. So we discussed in the last class 4, in the chapter of force, that any body like earth also attract everything towards its center by a force called gravity or gravitational force. The same way moon also attracts things towards its center because of its gravity or gravitational force. But the size of the moon is very less comparative to the अर्थ से कंपेयर करेंगे तो मून का साइज क्या है, बहुत ही छोटा है, तो उसकी ग्रेविटी भी क्या होगी, कम होगी. सो दैट इज व्हाई द ग्रेविटी ऑफ द मून इज आल्सो लेस कंपेयर टू द अर्थ. You can say if a person weighs 30 kg on the surface of the earth, so on the surface of the moon the gravity is only 1/6 of the surface of the earth. So divide 30 by 6, it means only 5 kg. That person's weight on the moon is only 5 kg. So that person have to wear something so that it can stand on the surface of the moon. If not, this person starts floating on the surface of the moon, as there is very less gravity and there is also no atmosphere. No air pressure is also there. So this is how the gravity of the moon working on a person at the phases of the moon. So class 5, I hope you are able to understand phases of the moon and gravity of the moon. If any problem, ask me. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.